Right, so I've been away for a few days in Germany with the job, and so I'm back now, and I've got the toilet access door and some bits to go behind this bad boy right here. So that's what I'm going to do today. I started quite late, so I think I'm only probably going to get this done, and I need to make some adjustments to the roof rack that I put on that you haven't seen yet. So yeah, I'm going to crack on with that and see how it goes. Right, I've lined the wet room up where I think I want to have it, and I've got the access door behind. I'm going to cut from the outside through, but I need to know how it lines up. So I'm going to drill a little hole on this side here, because that's as far as I can get it over, and then I can go to the other side, and I'll take you with me, and then we'll mark out the opening hatch there, because I know exactly how high it needs to be from the bits on the outside. Right, you can't really see it on there. There's the hole. Okay, so that's as far as I can go over. Okay, so this is what I'm going to use to cut the hole in. It's a multi-tool with a metal cutter in there. It's hopefully going to be a little bit better for me than when I was using the angle grinder for the windows, but you never know. This is going to be quite a sort of square cut, so it's no big deal. And then I've got the internal measurements from the instructions for the toilet access door, so I'm going to cut that size out, mask it out, and cut it out. I think it might be easier to use the angle grinder. This thing's just flying all over the shop because it's not getting through, so we'll give that a go. It's not a very good cut. Oh god. Oh. I'm gonna have to adjust that. Alright, so it's not as easy as I thought. It's hard to follow the lines. Big insulation. Right. Oh, this cut's horrible. That one's bad. It fits. So now this piece fits in there, into that gap there. So now I need to trace this and get a bit that fits in, which is going to involve more cutting, which is going to be scary again. Can't see it. Hammer right again. Alright, so this bit of the van has to go into the frame, and well, between the frame and this inner bit. So I'm going to have to trace and cut that out. I've got two different sealants that I'm going to use for the project. This one's an adhesive sealant, so that's going to go to stick the panel I cut out into the door unit, because it needs to stay, there's nothing to fix it to, so I'm just going to seal it in there with this. Hopefully I don't waste the whole tube, it might be able to be reused. And then I'm going to use this non-drying bedding sealant, because the door gets screwed into the side of the van. I don't need anything that's going to be adhesive. I want something that's never going to dry and be always flexible, so it never let water in. So those are the things I'm going to use. We're going to put that in there. So yeah, the non-drying bedding sealant's going in. Now, I'll fix it in. Screws. Or not, because I can't fit it in the thing. So the tube is too big for the holder, so I've had to kind of improvise somehow to kind of get it to work. And hopefully a bit of tension will work.